Vegan and vegetarian diets. Navigating plant-based nutrition. The popularity of vegan and vegetarian diets has been on the rise in recent years, driven by concerns for animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and health benefits. These plant-based eating patterns have gained significant attention, but they also raise questions about meeting nutritional needs. With proper planning and understanding, however, individuals can thrive on vegan and vegetarian diets while enjoying a diverse and nourishing range of plant-based foods. In this article, we will explore the fundamentals of plant-based nutrition, addressing key considerations and providing practical tips for a balanced vegan or vegetarian lifestyle. A diet centered on plant-based foods is focused on nourishing the body with whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This means prioritizing nature's bountiful offerings while reducing or eliminating animal-derived products like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. These diets are typically rich in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which contribute to overall health and disease prevention. However, there are certain nutrients that require special attention in a plant-based diet, including protein, calcium, iron, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues. Although animal products are commonly regarded as complete protein sources due to their inclusion of all 9 essential amino acids, it is possible to achieve the same effect by combining various plant-based protein sources. To ensure that you are getting enough protein, it is important to include a diverse range of legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, in addition to whole grains, nuts, and seeds throughout the day. Calcium, necessary for strong bones and teeth, is often associated with dairy products. Plant-based sources such as tofu, fortified plant milk, leafy greens, like kale and broccoli, and calcium-set tofu can provide abundant amounts of this essential mineral. Consuming foods rich in vitamin D, such as fortified plant milk, or getting natural sunlight exposure outdoors can significantly boost calcium absorption. Iron is essential for oxygen transport and plays a key role in preventing anemia. Plant-based sources of iron, known as non-heme iron, can be as effective as animal sources, which provide easily absorbed iron called heme iron. To enhance the absorption of non-heme iron, it should be consumed with foods rich in vitamin C. Boost your iron absorption by including legumes, dark leafy greens, whole grains, nuts, and seeds in your meals, and pair them with vitamin C sources such as citrus fruits or bell peppers. Vitamin B12, primarily found in animal-based foods, is crucial for nerve function and DNA synthesis. Vegans, in particular, should consider supplementation or consume fortified foods like plant milk, breakfast cereals, and nutritional yeast to ensure adequate intake. Vegetarians who include dairy and eggs in their diet may have a lower risk of vitamin B12 deficiency but should still monitor their levels. Omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and heart health benefits, are typically associated with fish. However, plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds provide alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a precursor to other omega-3 fatty acids. Although these sources can help increase your omega-3 intake, vegans and vegetarians might find it advantageous to include supplements or fortified foods derived from algae for an extra dose of DHA and EPA, the highly bioavailable forms of omega-3s. To ensure a well-rounded plant-based diet, it's important to prioritize variety, balance, and portion control. Including a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds can help meet nutrient requirements and prevent monotony. For those who are making the switch to a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, it can be incredibly beneficial to plan meals ahead of time, try out new and exciting recipes, and consult with experienced registered dietitians or nutritionists for expert guidance. Vegan and vegetarian diets can provide abundant health benefits when properly planned and executed. By gaining a deep understanding of the precise nutritional needs linked to plant-based eating patterns and incorporating a wide variety of nutrient-rich foods, people can not only fulfill their nutrient requirements, but also revel in a sustainable and compassionate lifestyle. Whether it is driven by ethical concerns or personal health objectives, Embracing a plant-based diet provides a chance to discover exciting new flavors, broaden culinary experiences, and create a beneficial impact on both personal wellness and the environment.